So April 2nd, and we're just starting to get our season started here on the farm. We've been working on getting these greenhouses set up. Just got all the electrical done yesterday and hooked up the water. This greenhouse, greenhouse 7 behind here, we're not going to have operational until we have our building up, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. We're supposed to be getting Dustin in here today. We're going to get greenhouse 3 welded up, so hopefully I have some footage showing you guys that. But today my guys are working in the lab, and I'm going to do a job that I don't really like doing. It's a lot of work. We got to get the tarps up here all set up because we're starting to get some wood chips, because we've been milling everything here in storage and we're almost running out. But this worked out well, really well this year. Everything was pre-dried and then stored in the horse shelter. So this is what has got us started. We've done about maybe 1,200, 1,500 bags so far. But these tarps have been falling apart. The tractor unfortunately does rip them up quite a bit. So I'm just going to be doing some repairs today, and then I'm going to be spreading out the wood chips there. And we're hopefully going to be getting loads of wood chips throughout the week. And if it's nice and sunny like it is now, we'll be able to sun dry them, pile them up, store them, and keep getting lots of wood chips throughout the season. So anyways guys, not sure how this video is going to go, but I'm going to start working on this. So right now for us, we're using these trucker tarps. Long-term solution, we possibly might concrete this. For using the tractor, where we're spreading out the wood chips and piling them up, having concrete here would be the dream, but really expensive. So it doesn't really make sense right now. We got really lucky. We've sourced out about 30 of these trucker tarps. They're used and already ripped for the most part. So, you know, the tractor does catch an edge and does drag them over time. And we do have to get in here and repair that, so that's what I'm doing today. There might be a government-funded program or ag program where we could possibly get some of the concrete covered if we were to go ahead and pour a big slab here, so that's something we're looking into right now. But for the time being, this is good for us for at least the next 2 years, and if we can find a better solution, I'm definitely looking towards doing that. So I'm not even close to being finished and I'm already getting tired. This is a lot of work, but I'm going to be lifting all this wood chips and sawdust up with the leaf blower. And then this tarp has definitely been chewed up quite a bit, because when we dried the chips on the tarps here with the tractor, we pile them up, and we always want to pile them up by the hammermill here, and this is definitely getting chewed up. So I want to just lift all this up, replace this with this tarp that's just right here, and then we're just going to patch up what's up there. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to work for this season.